Meet Screencastify Submit, the simplest way for teachers to collect and manage student video submissions. In just a few clicks, you can create a video assignment, add custom instructions, and choose recording options. Webcam, screen, or both. You can even adjust privacy settings to fit your classroom needs. Each assignment generates a unique link, making it easy to share through Google Classroom, email, or even a QR code. For students, the process is effortless. They simply click the link, record directly in their browser, and submit their video in seconds. On your end, all submissions appear in a clean, easy-to-use dashboard. Watch videos, provide feedback, and use the built-in grading interface to track student progress. You can even export grades as a CSV file that can be uploaded to your LMS. And that's it! Screencastify Submit is a game changer for boosting student engagement. Try it today and give every student a voice.